Greetings from OmegaCube Technologies. Metal fabricators from the small and medium segment struggle to sustain due to various factors such as volatile global economy, socio-political conditions, ever-changing market demands, technological advancements, raw material costs and availability, competition and more. Faced with challenges such as cost control, labor retention and lack of efficiency, their immediate response is to cut back on labor and operational costs, shut down underperforming business functions, and shuffle staff across the organization with the hope of increasing efficiency and increasing personnel skills. However, these are short-term fixes. The problems are still there, and they won't go until decisive measures are taken. To keep up with their peers, and overcome market competition, manufacturers need to reinvent themselves by adopting technology that will increase their efficiency, and reduce costs. The first step towards this is to overhaul their manufacturing processes, and automate workflows with the help of an ERP. OmegaCube ERP is a comprehensive enterprise management software specially designed for metal fabricators. With its highly flexible capabilities, powerful features, and advanced business tools, metal fabricators can automate their manufacturing workflows and business processes, to achieve optimum efficiency, reduce costs and achieve growth. OmegaCube ERP helps metal fabricators to stay ahead of their competition in the quotation race, by improving their response time to RFQs, and be the first one to submit their quote. In addition to this, OmegaCube ERP completely eliminates manual data entry on spreadsheets, notepads, and physical forms. They can access incoming RFQs, and quickly create accurate quotes by taking BOM, vendor prices, material cost, inventory levels, labor and machine availability etc. Detailed estimates can be prepared to support these quotes that includes operational costs, material costs, and outside services. Opportunities can be created in CRM and quote response, follow-ups, callbacks and win ratios can be tracked. Once approved, these quotes can be converted to sales orders at a click of button. OmegaCube ERP helps fabricators to reduce order-to-cash cycle, and improve order fulfillment ratio. Order management workflows are automated, and fabricators can view all incoming, work in progress, delayed, expedited, and completed orders in a central location. They can ensure quick response to customers, and eliminate delays by getting real-time updates on each order at any stage. OmegaCube ERP's e-commerce integration capability enables customers to place an order via the e-commerce portal, and track progress till closure. With OmegaCube ERP's customer relationship management, fabricators can efficiently manage sales process, automate lead management, run marketing campaigns, improve customer response and support from a centralized location. Their front-end sales desk can maintain comprehensive customer data, call details, meetings, tasks, interaction notes, and appointments within the CRM. Response time to customers can be drastically reduced by quickly accessing customer info, and addressing their query or grievance. Lead management is further automated as lead data from customer interactions, responses, form fills, calls, emails, social media accounts etc. can be tracked in real time, and converted to high-quality leads. A dedicated self-service portals to customers can be created and customized. They can log in and access order details, shipment data, warranty info, invoice, and product query, thereby reducing overall interaction time. With OmegaCube ERP's advanced inventory management module, metal fabricators get real-time visibility of their inventory levels, and its movement across the entire supply chain. Inventory recording and tracking gets easy by tagging incoming raw materials, parts, sub-assemblies with barcode labels and RFID tags. Throughout its movement within the shop floor, personnel can scan it using handheld printers, scanners and record vital product information into the ERP from anywhere, anytime. This ensures that you have a ready count of how much materials you have in hand, that enables you to seamlessly schedule your jobs, procure inventory, and accurately arrive at job costs. OmegaCube ERP lets you maintain the right inventory level at all times. Every time the levels deplete below a certain threshold based on current order requirement, the ERP sends automated alerts to the personnel who can then initiate a purchase order with the nearest supplier. You can also configure the ERP to automatically place a purchase order with approved suppliers. OmegaCube lets you easily reconcile physical inventory counts with system inventory records. This is done using cycle count, or full inventory methods with the help of barcodes, and other tracking technology. OmegaCube ERP's planning and scheduling capabilities help fabricators to arrive at optimal production schedules by considering all available resources such as machines, materials and manpower. They can monitor and track material movement throughout the supply chain in real time, so that production can be swiftly adjusted to changing customer demands, as well as delivery requirements. Production schedules can be derived based on manufacturing lead time, order due dates, expedited and delayed work orders, sales forecasts, material inbounds, upcoming deliveries and labor shifts. Based on this, accurate shipping dates can be given to customers. Having a real-time view of shop floor operation is a challenge every metal fabricator faces. With OmegaCube ERP, they have a complete view of jobs that are in process, completed or yet to begin on the shop floor. Department schedules can be easily published to the shop floor using an electronic dispatch list. The shop floor console displays work orders that are running on the shop floor along with other status in color code format. They can view job schedule and priority, work order assignment, work order status. Personnel can clock in directly from the dispatch list. They can use barcodes, mobile devices, or touchscreen interfaces to report work order information directly into the ERP. They can access part drawings, manufacturing instructions from data collection terminals. Personnel can also see availability of raw materials for each work order. Integrated scheduling helps determine start and stop times for all assembly and sub-job operations. Personnel have complete visibility of shop floor performance, including efficiency ratios via manufacturing metrics. OmegaCube ERP's supply chain capabilities enable metal fabricators to streamline their entire procure-to-pay process and reduce overspending on goods and services. Integrated MRP, RFQ, inventory, and self-service capabilities allow them to track material consumption, forecast future orders, and procure goods and services at the right price, with the right quality, at the right time. Fabricators can raise purchase orders with their suppliers from within the ERP itself. They can club all purchases into a single order per vendor to reduce paperwork. They can access comprehensive purchase history, response time, quality parameters, and on-time delivery of their suppliers, vendors and trading partners. This enables them to improve their supplier collaboration and improve compliance. Warehouse management is a breeze, as they can maintain a master inventory list that includes warehouse information, procurement details, shipping information, quality hold, work center and vendor information. Fabricators can provide production and inventory visibility to their suppliers through self-access supplier portals. Suppliers can access real-time inventory and production data. They can access purchase order details such as PO release, date, quantity, due date, product configuration, taxation, etc. They can access payment data, credit, invoices and taxation details. They can access advanced shipping notice and goods receiving data. They can access customer demand and forecasting data, accordingly raise sales orders, and dispatch materials on time to fabricators. OmegaCube ERP helps metal fabricators to maintain optimum quality standards at every manufacturing phase for customers across industry segments such as aerospace and defense, automotive, medical equipment, industrial machinery, etc. With OmegaCube ERP's quality management module, they can digitally record non-compliance and quality control data to a centralized location for more accuracy and quick data accessibility. Enter quality inspection data easily at the operator terminal. Conduct in-depth quality analysis for suppliers, parts, shop floor operations. Trace inventory and parts right to its source, and track quality levels at each stage of production. Maintain single version of document at all times irrespective of data from multiple personnel. Easily generate quality control documents for quality audits and inspections. Pull up relevant material and heat treating certificates during shipping automatically. Analyze quality metrics for suppliers, parts, manufacturing, and operations using quality management dashboards. OmegaCube ERP can be readily integrated with a host of third-party manufacturing applications such as CAD, nesting, machine monitoring software, barcode applications and devices, logistics applications, and internal applications. Metal fabricators can automate nesting and cutting operations by integrating OmegaCube ERP with top nesting applications. Processed work orders that needs parts cutting can be sent directly from OmegaCube ERP to nesting applications. Based on order due date, personnel can auto-prioritize each order, or combine multiple hot orders in a single nest layout. Post-job completion, parts cut information, cut list details, material drops, scrap-generated details are auto-imported from nesting applications to OmegaCube ERP. Based on this, the work order and inventory levels are updated. This ensures efficient shop floor operations, improved material utilization, reduced production time, labor, overhead cost, and order turnaround time for each order. OmegaCube ERP can be integrated with machine monitoring technology to get real-time data from machines. Fabricators can receive valuable data from machines such as machine status, performance, health parameters, job status, downtime and idle time. With this, they can keep track of various machine health parameters and prevent downtime by proactively fixing potential breakdowns. OmegaCube ERP can be integrated with industry-class barcode applications to automate data collection, streamline material handling and inventory movement, from goods receiving to dispatch. Fabricators can print barcode labels and RFID using portable printers, and apply on incoming goods during goods receiving. They can scan goods using portable or wired barcode and RFID scanners. The recorded data is automatically stored within the ERP. This lets them track goods movement at all stages of production. Fabricators can create 1D and 2D barcodes, using customizable barcode templates. With barcode and RFID integration, they can track raw material movement, movable machine assets, spare parts, tools, and end products. OmegaCube ERP can be integrated in a two-way interface with shipping and logistics applications such as UPS, FedEx, USPS and Starship. Fabricators can send shipping information and status to customers. Through the customer portal, customers can track shipments and access sales invoices. Fabricators can decide shipping routes, and drivers can be scheduled from within the ERP. Invoices, customer-specific labels, material certifications, bill of lading, and relevant shipping documents can be easily generated. They can receive shipping charges, actual weight, and tracking numbers to streamline shipping and delivery. Through inbuilt digital signature capability, truck drivers can take signatures of customers on their handheld devices. With OmegaCube ERP, metal fabricators can eliminate all the challenges that they face daily. OmegaCube ERP streamlines critical fabrication operations, enabling them to make quick business decisions, significantly reduce time to quote, reduce production costs, improve delivery timelines, increase customer retention, satisfaction and market reputation. Thank you for watching this video. Get in touch with us for a demo on OmegaCube ERP for your metal fabrication enterprise. Follow us on our social media handles to know more about our latest ERP and technology offerings. Stay tuned.